पोर्सन सक्ने प्रयास गरेका छौँ सो तपाईले यो पोर्सन नबुझेको हुन सक्नुहुन्छ भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट पोर्सन यु शुड स्टडी दिस पोर्सन इन grade 9 and grade 10 also there will be long questions in SEE examination as well there will be long question in BLE examination BLE also so मैले तपाईलाई फेरि आज पनि मैले तपाईलाई डिस्काउन्ट एन्ड भ्याट को रिभाइज त्यो पढ्दाखेरि चाहिँ अलिकति तपाईहरु हतारमा हामीले पढेको हुनाले तपाईहरु नबुझेको हुन सक्छ भनेर म आजको क्लास यो क्लास चाहिँ डिस्काउन्ट एन्ड भ्याटमा फेरि युज गर्दै छु आई होप यु विल कोअपरेट विथ मी एन्ड यु विल ट्राई टु understand all the questions here, all the schemes and the definitions and formula as well. तपाईहरुको लागि रिभिजन पनि हुन्छ भनेर म आज यो गर्दै छु still about 35 students are present. Okay, first of all here is the definition of discount. Discount ko definition cha this we have already studied. The amount of reduction in the market item is called the discount amount. जस्तै मैले तपाईलाई यो भन्नुभन्दा पहिला के भन्छु भने if you went to a shop to buy a shirt, suppose you are going to buy a shirt and that shirt first of all the shopkeeper told you that the shirt costs rupees suppose 1000, shirt costs rupees 1000 suppose, and then you asked for the discount and the shopkeeper told you that if you are taking this shirt please you can take this shirt at rupees 800 तपाईलाई 1000 rupees भनेको थियो and discount percent of MP discount amount is equal to discount percent of MP if mark price is 5000 and discount percent is 8% then discount amount will be 8% of 5000 okay 8% of 5,000 minus 200 that is 800 rupees will be the actual price 800 rupees will be the actual price okay त्यसलाई हामी actual price भनेको छौं okay now next one was the VAT अर्को चाहिँ VAT भन्ने थियो the tax the definition of VAT is the tax added to the increased amount in every phase while selling the goods and services is called the value added tax VAT the VAT definition the tax added to the increased amount in every phase while selling the goods and services is called the value added tax this is the definition of VAT the VAT definition and what is the formula for that VAT amount is equal to VAT percent of actual price VAT percent of actual price बाट discount subtract गरिन्छ the discount is reduced घट्ने amount हो so discount subtract गरिसकेपछि आउने जुन प्राइस छ त्यो प्राइसमा मार्क गर्छौं so VAT amount is equal to VAT percent of actual price this is the formula VAT percent भनेको के हो त VAT percent को चाहिँ सोध्यो भने VAT percent means VAT amount divided by selling price multiply 100% selling price is also actual price VAT percent is equal to now अब तपाईले बुझ्नु पर्ने कुरा discount is given in the market price of the article discount market price मा दिन्छ पहुँच यहाँ बाङ्गो is given in the market price of the article but VAT is added to the actual price of the article discount जहिले पनि market price बाट subtract गरिन्छ market price मा दिन्छ discount is always given on the market price of the article but value added tax VAT is added to the actual price of the article VAT is added to the actual price of the article VAT चाहिँ actual price of the article मा add गरिन्छ ओके त्यसरी हामीले चाहिँ यो गर्छौं okay example exercise market price is given to us here then if 12% discount is given okay if 12% discount is given to us यदि हामीलाई त्यसमा 12% discount दिएको छ भने 12% discount is given to us then how much should be paid to buy the book अब कति तिर्नु पर्छ त 210 is market price of the book. Your 210 the market price is 210 rupees is the market price of the book. 12% is the discount percent. 12% discount is given. This 12% is the discount percent, and discount amount is equal to discount percent of MP. Discount amount equal to discount percent of MP. That is discount percent means 12%. 12% of MP means 210. 12% of 210. 12% means 12 by 100. Percent लाई हामीले फ्र्याक्सनल नम्बरमा डिभाइड गर्दाखेरि 12 by 100 गर्छौँ, by 100 गर्छौँ. So here is 12 by 100. 12% means 12 by 100. Of means multiply 210, 210. Then it will be, after calculating, after using calculator, we'll get rupees 20.20. Rupees 25.20 is the discount amount. This is the discount amount to us. Then after get discount amount, now SP of the book, or actual price of the book, SP of the book is MP minus discount. MP means 210. MP is this, MP marked price is 210. It is given to us, minus discount amount. We have got 25.20. Discount amount is 25.20. Then 210 minus 25.20 will be 184.80. 184.80 is our SP of the book. यसरी हामीले यसको बुकको SP फाइन्ड आउट गर्न सक्छौं. Okay, in the similar way, let's see another slide. तपाईलाई अर्को स्लाइड देखाउँदैछु. 2 number, marked price of the jacket. Marked price of a jacket. कुनै एउटा ज्याकेटको मार्कको कुरा गर्दैछ. Marked price of a jacket is rupees 2,250. एउटा ज्याकेटको मार्क प्राइस 2,250 रुपीज छ. If 8% discount is given, हेर्नुस् त त्यो ज्याकेटमा कति % डिस्काउन्ट दिएको छ त? 8% discount is given on that jacket. Then how much should be paid to buy the jacket? अब हामीले चाहिँ त्यो ज्याकेट किन्नको लागि कति पैसा पे गर्नुपर्छ त? Mark price is 2,250. Discount is 8%. Then let's see the solution. Our solution here. Here, mark price of the jacket, MP of the jacket is equal to rupees 2,250. This is the MP of 2,250 rupees is mark price of the jacket. Then discount percent is 8%. See, discount percent is 8%. 8% discount is given. Then discount amount will be discount percent of MP. I mean, formula. Discount percent is equal to, discount amount to discount percent of MP. Discount percent means 8%. 8% of MP is 2,250. 8% of 2,250. Then 8% means 8 upon 100. 8% means 8 upon 100%. Like fractional number convert divide by 100. Of means multiply 2,250 remains the same, 2,250. After multiplying this 2,250 and 8 and dividing by 100, we'll get rupees 100. This is the discount amount. 180 rupees is discount amount. Now, what is the SP of the jacket? Our discount only mark price 2,250 rupees. Mark price is 2,250 rupees. Then discount amount is 180 rupees. Mark price for the discount amount subtract we'll get the SP or actual price. So MP minus discount, SP of the jacket is MP minus discount. MP is rupees 2,250 minus discount is rupees 180. Then the value will be 2,070 rupees. This is the SP of the jacket. SP of the jacket calculate. Okay. Now let's see another slide. Our slide. Here, 3 number question, exercise 16.2. All these questions are from your book. Exercise 16.2. Here is 3 number question, and this question says that calculate the actual price of the following items. Here, some items are given to us. One is cupboard. See, you can see here. One is cupboard is given to us. Mark price is 9,950. In the similar, computer is given to us, that is 25,500. Watch is given to us 1,250, and calculator given to us 1,500. In cupboard there is 12% discount. In computer there is 8% discount. In watch there is 5% discount, and in calculator there will be 5% discount. Let me talk to some students. Let me talk to Apeksha. Apeksha Chilwa, please turn on your video and mic. Apeksha. Apeksha, are you listening to me? Amrit Chand,
Yes, sir.
can you give me idea how to find the actual price of this cupboard?
Yes, sir.
Amrit Chand,
Yes, sir.
यो कपबोर्ड को एक्चुअल प्राइस कसरी फाइन्ड आउट गर्ने होला? Can you tell me some idea? ल भन्नुस् त कसरी गर्ने होला?
Sir,
What thing?
सर पहिला डिस्काउन्ट अमाउन्ट निकाल्ने, डिस्काउन्ट पर्सेन्ट
Yes.
अफ मार्केट प्राइस एमपी,
Yes.
12% अनि एमपी चाहिँ कपबोर्डको 9,950 दिएको छ।
Okay, very good.
12% अफ 9,950 निकाल्ने।
Yes. Then the value, no. Then how to find actual price? So the discount amount भयो।
एमपी मार्केट प्राइसले
Market price. Yes, market
डिस्काउन्ट
price.
प्राइसले माइनस
Let me talk to another student. अरूमा एकजना फेरि कुरा गर्दैछु। Okay. Sokina Basnet.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, do you understand how to find the actual price of the article if MP is given and discount percent is given?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me how to find the actual price of this computer? हेर्नुस् मैले स्क्रिनमा देखाइरहेको यो कम्प्युटरको एक्चुअल प्राइस कसरी फाइन्ड आउट गर्ने होला? Can you explain it to me? ल भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ सकिना?
Yes, sir. First
Okay,
of all,
please.
we should find discount amount.
Yes, how?
So, discount percent of MP.
Will be discount amount. Okay, very good. Go on.
So, one discount.
Nurgen Sherpa, you are annotating on the screen. Okay, go on. Bandhe janus kina, I am listening to you.
So, after finding the discount amount, we should subtract. Subtract discount amount from MP. Then we will get actual
Yes.
amount.
Very good. Actual price. We'll get actual price. Okay, thank you, Shokina. Thank you very much. You are understanding. All the students are understanding, I hope. Thank you very much. Okay, first of all, के गर्नु रहेछ त भन्दाखेरि if MP is given, when MP is given and discount percent is given, first of all we should use the formula of discount amount. The formula of discount amount is discount percent of MP. Then discount percent of MP means 12% of 9,950 here, and then we'll get the discount amount. After getting the discount amount, then to find the actual price, we should use formula actual price is equal to MP minus discount amount. MP minus discount amount. Then we'll get the actual price. Thank you, everyone. Now let's see another slide. Up here or slide. Okay. Now 4 number question. यो अलिकति लामो important, most important question, long question आउन सक्छ यो तपाईहरुले एकदम. See, here is के दिएको छ भन्नुहुन्छ भने here is a color TV set is bought for rupees 13,950. हेर्नुस् है त. A color TV set, एउटा TV color TV, it is bought for rupees 13,950. After 10% discount, 10% discount दिइसकेपछि बल्ल हामीले 13,950 मा पायौं. कुरा बुझ्नुस् है त. सपोज हामी टिभी किन्न गयौं एउटा टिभी शपमा. टिभी शपमा गइसकेपछि त्यहाँ चाहिँ 10% डिस्काउन्ट पाएर we paid rupees 13,950. यो 13,950 भनेको त after getting 10% discount we paid this amount. 10% discount दिइसकेपछि we have paid 13,950. Then what will be the calculate the MP of the TV set? TV set को MP कति होला त? सुरुमा पसलेले कति भनेको थियो होला? सुरुमा शपकीपरले कति भनेको थियो होला? सुरुमा कति भनेको थियो शपकीपरले? अनि डिस्काउन्ट 10% दियो र 13,950 मा हामीले पायौं. What was the market price of the TV? Question said that. Let me say that. Here, SP of the TV set, selling price of the TV set is 13,950. यसलाई हामी actual price पनि भन्न सक्छौं. Actual price of the TV set is 13,950. Discount percent is equal to 10%. Discount percent is 10%. then MP discount percent is 10%, then MP of the TV set is equal to what? We don't know MP. Market price we have to calculate. Suppose let MP of the TV set be rupees X. अब हामी यो TV set को market price लाई X suppose गरौँ. Now what will be the discount amount? अब discount amount कति भयो त? Discount amount भनेको त discount percent of MP हो. Discount percent is 10% of MP. त थाहा छैन, MP is X we have supposed here. So discount amount is equal to 10% of X. Why X? Because MP is not given to us. We have supposed X MP. So discount amount is equal to discount percent of MP means 10% of X. 10% of X means 10%. This 10% means you know that 10% भनेको त 10 by 100 हो. While changing the fractional form, 10% means 10 by 100. Off means multiply, X means X. This 0 1 0 and this 0 1 1 zeros cancel out from the numerator and denominator, then X into 1, X by 10, X by 10 left here. Now we know that formula MP, we know formula market price minus discount amount equal to selling price. Market price minus discount amount is equal to selling price. We know this. Then market price means X. This is the market price X minus discount amount is X by 10. Discount amount X by 10 पाएको छौं. So X minus X by 10. Then X minus X by 10 is equal to this selling price is 13,950, 13,950. Then after taking the LCM here in the denominator of X, there will be 1 here. 1 छ यसको denominator मा केही छैन भने LCM of 10 अब 10 ले X लाई multiply गर्दा 10X X ले 1 लाई multiply गर्दा X minus X 10X minus X upon 10 is equal to 13,950. Then 10X minus X will be 9X. 9X by 10 is equal to 13,950. 9X equal to 13,950 multiply 10. Then 9X equal to 13,950 multiply 10 means 13,950. One more zero. Then X equal to 139,500 divided by 9. The value will be 15,500 after dividing it. So MP of TV set X means what we got? What is X? X we have supposed the MP. I mean X like the MP भनेको थियौं. So MP of the TV set is rupees 15,500 we have got here. Market price of the TV set is rupees 15,500 rupees. Okay, hence we got the solution. हामीले solution find out गर्यौं. यसको यो solution कोले बुझ्यो होला म एकजना सोधौं. Let me talk to Krishma Pokhriyal. Please turn on your mic and video. Krishma.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you explain how you found its solution? Your solution बुझ्नु भयो. It's most important. Little bit tough as well. भन्नुस् त कसरी फाइन्ड गर्नु? Okay, please explain.
First, the question in the question it is given that SP of the TV set is 13,950 and the discount percent is 10%. Now we need to find the MP of the TV set. Given by the question, SP of the TV set is 13,950. Discount percent is 10%. Now we need to find the MP of the TV set. So we don't know the MP of the TV set, so we should suppose it X. Now the discount, we should find the discount amount. The formula to find the discount is discount percent of MP. Since there is no MP, since we suppose the MP to X, we have to write by the formula 10%. We replace it and it becomes 10% of X.
Very good.
So 10 divided by 100 into X, that is X by 10.
Yes.
Now we need to find. Now there is a formula M minus discount is equals to SP. So we replace its value, which is MP is equal to X and discount amount is equals to X by 10. 13,950.
Yes.
So when we solve it, it comes 10x minus x by 10 is equals to 13,950. Then we further solve it and and then further solve it, it comes 9x upon 10 is equal to 13,950. Now
Yes.
when we take 10 from left hand side to the right hand side, since it's division, when it comes to right hand side, it becomes multiplication. So 9x is equals to 13,950 into 10. Now when
Yes.
we 9x is equals to
15,500. 39,500. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Krishna. Thank you very much. तपाईँले भन्नुभयो मैले बुझिसकेँ x equal to 1,39,500 divided by 9. After dividing this 1,39,500 by 9, we got 15,500. The value of x is 15,500. The value of x means this is the, what is this? What is x? X means here this is the market price of the TV set, MP of the TV set. Okay, thank you very much, Krishna. Now let me explain. Let me show you another slide. म तपाईलाई अर्को एउटा slide देखाउँछु. Question. The question said that MP of an electric this is MP of an electric iron is rupees 500. MP of the iron is given to us, that is rupees 500 is MP. If shopkeeper sold the iron for rupees 460, shopkeeper 460 rupees ma त्यसलाई बेच्नु भयो, how much percent discount is given? How much percent discount is given? हेर्नुस् है त. Here MP is 500. पहिला सुरुमा चाहिँ 500 भनेर शपकीपरले भन्नुभयो. SP, sale price is rupees 460. Selling price of the article is rupees 460. MP and SP are given. Discount equal to MP minus SP. तपाईलाई पहिला 500 भन्नुभयो, तपाईहरुले किन्ने बेलामा चाहिँ 460 मा दिनुभयो भने तपाईलाई 40 रुपैयाँ डिस्काउन्ट भएको भएन त. So actually discount equal to MP minus SP, that is 500 minus 460, that is 40 rupees discount. Discount कति रुपैयाँ रहेछ त? 40 रुपैयाँ रहेछ. Now discount percent we have to calculate. How much percent discount is given us means we should calculate discount percent. Discount percent formula we have, discount percent is equal to discount by MP into 100%. This formula we have, discount by MP into 100%. Discount we have got 40 rupees. Discount namely 40 rupees per. This is the discount amount. Discount is here. And then MP is 500 divided by 500. 500 is here. 500. Multiply 100%. This is the formula. Then this 0 and this 0 cancel out. In the similar way, this next 0 of 100 and next 0 of 500 cancel out. 5 on the 5, 8% discount was given here. Your question ma kati percent discount दिएको रहेछ त? 8% discount. Okay. Okay, now first of all, we have less time, less than 7 minutes. Let me share you attendance link. म तपाईहरुलाई पहिला रुपैयाँ 144 per धार्ने. Rupees 144 per धार्ने in potato. In the similar way, third item is dal. In dal, 7% discount is given, and price after discount or the actual price is rupees 186 per 2 kg. And then next item is given mushroom. In mushroom, 9% discount is given, and price after discount, that the actual price is 450 kg. I have done here solution of one question, and other 3 will be home assignment for you. Interesting, there is here actual price of apple. Actual price of apple is 116.40 per kg. This is given here. Then discount is given 3%. In apple, 3% discount is given. Actual price is 116.4.